Hello everybody and welcome back! Ciao a tutti e bentornati! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a three-dimensional house. First of all, print these templates. You can find them linked in the video description down below. Just scroll down. Let's start! The first room we're going to discover is the living room. Now listen and repeat. Television, armchair, bookcase, lamp, coffee table, sofa, picture, window. Well done! Now it's time to color the picture. Now you need your scissors. Cut along the lines and put some glue where you can read glue here. Then fold the picture. I'm going to show you how. The first room is ready. Now let's move on to the next one. The kitchen. Now listen and repeat. Table and chairs. Clock. Fridge. Freezer. Recycling bins. Oven. Cooker. I'm going to write this one. Sink. Window. Time to color. Now, time to cut and fold. Our little kitchen is ready. And now, let's move on to the bedroom. This is the bedroom. Now listen and repeat. Toy box, desk, computer, wardrobe, rug, bed, bedside table, lamp. Let's color it. Now, time to cut and fold. This is my favorite room because it reminds me of my bedroom. Now, let's move on to the last room, the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Now listen and repeat. Towel, cabinet, wash basin, mirror, toilet, washing machine, laundry basket, mat, bath, shower, shelf, and soap. I'm ready to color it. And now, time to cut and fold. The bathroom is ready. Now it's time to assemble the house. Are you ready? Let's start. Look! Our little house is now ready. Do you like it? Which is your favorite room? My favorite room is the bedroom. Goodbye everyone. See you next time. Bye bye. Have lots of fun.